Hey guys, welcome to the channel. To fix duplicated notifications in pushcut, follow these steps. Check for multiple subscriptions. Ensure that you haven't subscribed to the same notification multiple times from your basically from your pushcut, right? Or if you basically subscribe to a server, go ahead and click the start free trial in the widget. Make sure that you don't that you didn't subscribe to the same plan, right, multiple times. Okay, so you can subscribe to the app, for example, and you subscribe to another plan in your browser or another device. That can cause a real issue. So make sure that you subscribe to one plan and you continue with that one plan only across your different devices. So what you need to do next, if the problem persists, go back to your screen and make sure that your iOS is your pushcut app is fully updated to the latest version. If the issue persists, make sure that you hold the app, delete it, and double click to delete and re-download it again from your app store, and that should fix your problem. All right, check the device settings. If the problem persists, go ahead to the settings. All right, and go to the notifications and try to make sure that the pushcut notification is on. All right, and make sure also that you swipe down to your control center and you turned off the do not disturb mode from here, right? Make sure that you click the same button to shut it down and get the latest notifications. All right, so if the problem persists after trying the 3 steps, you can go back to your screen, go ahead to your browser, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just type pushcut help and support. Okay, help and support. All right, and you can go ahead and copy their email. All right, and you can use any platform to send an email. In my case, I'm gonna use the iCloud mail, and I'm gonna click the pencil at the bottom right. I'm gonna head to and select the subject, which is the server urgent, right? Urgent server. Let me make it in capital. Server not server, subscription, duplicated, right? Duplicated notifications. All right, and then you're gonna tell them exactly what you went through and tell them how did you try to fix it and nothing actually works, and they will respond in about 24 to 48 hours, and then they're gonna be able to follow up with your request. And make sure that if you have logged in with your iCloud, Gmail, or any other platform, make sure that you add your email at the end of your request. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.